Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and there's nothing better than writing with colorful pens. These pens are from Sharpie and they have a fine point and they write super smooth. I love that I have different colors to choose from, so whether you're just using them for writing or maybe you're using them for drawing or things like that, you have so many different colors to choose from. The tip itself writes super fine and it's a felt point. So it glides across the paper really smoothly. It does dry pretty quickly, but if you're different type of papers that you're writing on, within the first couple seconds, just be careful not to smear it. Otherwise, they do dry very quickly. You could never have enough pens, especially when they're different colors. They help you stay organized while taking notes or your calendar or drawing or just writing. It's wonderful to have so many different color pens come all in one package. Of course, you have your standard black and your standard dark blue, and they have multiple ones of them. And then you have all these other fun colors that you'll never get tired of writing and enjoying all the different colors that you can possibly have. And that's my point of view.